Welcome to Smart Banner Agency, where creativity meets quality. In today's project, we're proud to showcase a relaxing and elegant design made for our client Al Rahat Spa, a complete spa and massage service. This design was crafted with a soothing green palette, spa candles, and professional service highlights like Swedish massage, deep tissue, and MMA massage, all aiming to attract and relax clients before they even step inside. Now let's move to the installation. Our team begins by carefully cleaning the surface, because a clean base is key to a smooth finish. With precision and care, we install the glass sticker, making sure there are no bubbles, no folds, and perfect alignment. The final look? Clean, classy, and ready to grab attention. A professional display that reflects the quality of the spa inside. If you're a business owner looking to upgrade your storefront, we're here to help, from creative design to perfect installation. Whether it's glass stickers, banners, posters, or digital prints, Smart Banner delivers results that make your brand shine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing project showcases. Smart Banner, designing your brand's first impression.